Okay, so I'm Danian Christianson from Intervantage, a small business in the Chicagoland area that's been trying to hire people. The challenge that I'm running into as a small business owner is that trying to get health insurance is crippling to my business. I'm competing against a worldwide economic platform where a lot of my competitors have health insurance provided for them throughout their own governments, and so in trying to level the playing field, I'm looking to be able to get a reasonable option, and I'm not getting it from AHIP here. It also affects who I can hire in this country. If I'm trying to hire somebody who's got more senior experience, if I'm trying to hire somebody who might have any kind of pre-existing conditions, it rules out my ability to hire those kinds of people into my business. This group here, AHIP, is costing our country jobs. It's costing my business, and it's costing my future employees their ability to earn a fair living. There's another group that I'm also taking a look at. Having previously been involved in the mortgage industry, I understand a lot more of what's happening in the mortgage industry and the games that have been played along the way there. There's a new agency that is being proposed called the CFPA, the Consumer Financial Protection Agency, and basically it's a way to level the playing field across the country. When I used to do mortgages across the country, I could see how the individual legislation that was showing up in each individual state severely affected how consumers were able to get loans. But it affects on a more fundamental basis. It affected property values, what kind of appreciation rates that businesses would have. It would affect what kinds of appraisals were happening in those different states. And so we need to level the playing field and create a level of protection for consumers. And that's what I'm believing that the Consumer Financial Protection Agency will do. And so what we need to do is continue to remind our legislators, most importantly our senators, exactly what is happening in their states. And so we need to be consistently calling our senators, both of our senators, and calling them and letting them know that we want a public option, no trigger, no opt-in. We want a public option from day one, and that's what we need to continue to remind them of, that is what their public wants. So call your senators today.
Thank you. Thank you very much.